Hi everybody, Troy Pointer Photography on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter with this video this evening that I've been asked to make for quite some time now, and I hope that you can see it okay because I'm only filming it myself. And so this video is about using Amazon AWS console storage facility in Amazon for your images for your website. The main reason for using this, it stops the load on your website, and it prevents, or it does help for your website not to crash and that type of thing. And it also is a good storage area to keep your images. It doesn't really cost very much, which is also another good thing. So I'm going to do a demonstration tonight of how I process my images into the AWS site. So here we go. First of all, you go to the AWS main page on the AWS Management Console, and then obviously then when you've made a username and password and then you sign in, there are different categories on the first page that you will come to. You come to categories such as compute management tools, mobile services, application integration, media services, storage, and so on and so forth. And the one that I'm going to use is obviously the storage. So I'm going to go into the storage, which is category S3, and then you'll come to this page. On the left side you can make a bucket and call it whatever name you like. For me, I've already made one, and I have a number of different categories in my AWS site, so that I know whether I'm putting images into the landscape or location, or is it a sunset or sunrise or things like that. And I also have another one called upload, and that is just purely so that I know exactly where my images are that I am uploading to the website. So here we go. I'm going to click on now the upload. You come to a completely blank page with two icons. One's create folder and the other one is upload, and it's the upload one that we're going to use. And then when you click the upload, it asks you to add a file. So what we're going to do now, I've now come to the images that we're going to use, these images here of Bath city that I went to yesterday. And so I'm going to pick one of those images now. I'll just demonstrate as to how I go through the process in uploading and processing the image into my own website. And I hope that it will be a useful tool and a useful demonstration for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to pick one particular image, which will be, let's say, the boat. Now I have three categories, one 1 megabyte, one 5 megabyte, and one 20 megabytes. All of these images are available for download after they've been in the website. And what I do is I copy the name of the image that I'm going to use. I then upload the image onto the first part of the website, and then you click next, and it asks you to manage the image basically. And the important part is at the bottom, manage public permissions. it asks you, do you not want to grant public read access to this image? Well, of course, if we do that, nobody can see it. You have another category called public read access this object, and that is the one that we should use. And then you click next, and it goes to the storage class, and you can have standard 1A or one zone 1A or reduce redundancy. I will be honest, I don't really know what these other ones are, because this AWS site has changed from what it was before. So I'm using the standard, and then below that it asks you whether you want an encryption. You can have none, you can have Amazon S3 master key or AWS KMS master key, and I'm using the Amazon S3 master key. And so then we click next again, and we go to the last page, and then we click upload, and at the bottom it was quite fast. It uploads the image into the Amazon website, and you can see it here. And so I click the image, and it has a drop down list, the owner, the last modified, e-tag, the storage class, server side encryption, and the size. And at the bottom you have a link, and what you do is you copy this link into your website. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my website, I'm going to log in, and we're going to create this image. So I'm going to go to my category of bath. I already made one earlier as a template. So what I'm going to do is choose the name of that image, and then I'm then going to create that image into my website. So I'm just copying the name of it now, and then I'm going to put it in the website. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I already have an image in here already, so I'm going to remove that image. We're going to select the image that I want to put into the website itself, and just uploading now. And then we'll set the icon for the image, and then in my website you have a category called variations, which is the different categories, or should I say the sizes of the downloads that I want to have people looking at when they come to my website. So the size of that image is a 1 megabyte. So we're going to click the 1 megabyte category, and there is already a URL inside that category, and what you do is delete that. You go back to the Amazon website, copy that link and paste it into the download 1 megabyte section in your website. And then I go back to the Amazon website, and then there are different category icons: open, download, download as, make public, or copy path. So what I do then is I click make public, and after you've made it public, it comes up and it says successful. That's what it should do. So then you go back to your website, and then I publish the image, and then I go to my home page and click the category bath, and for some reason it didn't work. Okay, I need to publish it again. Okay, so go back to the website, and now you see the image in the website itself. So what I do then is I copy the link to the image, and then I go into making a slide so that when you come to my website you can see the image and you can click the link to the image and go straight to the image. So that's what we're going to do now. In this category here for a slide, you can paste the URL into a little box at the bottom, and then you can set the featured image, which we'll use the same just for this demonstration, and click the category slides home and the name of the image again. This one is actually called Bath City 2018-15. So I'm going to paste that into the name of the image, and then going to click publish, then go back to my website, click the home page, and this is actually the image. So if I go back here, you click on this link and it will go straight to the image in your website. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. It's not something that I do every day, so I hope that was a big help for anybody who is thinking about using the AWS or Amazon storage facility, and that I hope that you will have successfully used it yourself. Thanks very much for watching this video. Try to catch me on the next one, which will probably be about landscape photography or time-lapse videos or a blog video. Thanks for watching.